Hey YouTube fam, this is going to be a really quick unboxing. I'm so excited. I'll go more into details about this bag later on when I get off work. So I'm just on a quick break. So it just arrived, so I just already had and took the cut into the tape. And it says Monnier Frères. So this is how they packaged it, with a whole bunch of tissue paper. And go put this box off to the side. And then they taped it. I'm just gonna open this and call it a day. And it's in this Coach 1941 dust bag. You know how I love Coach 1941 line. You see my Space Rogue back there. This is what I'm currently carrying. Let's get to this bag really quick. What? They sent me the wrong bag. They sent me this Kiss Lock. I'm supposed to get a Kiss Lock satchel, but instead I got what's this called? It's a saddle. I think this is the crossbody or something. Oh, I'm disappointed. So it is going back. It is an unboxing fail all the way. But yeah, no, this is not what I ordered. So she's going back, but this was the print that I wanted. Yeah, so I'm sending this bag back. Let's see if we can see the tape. Here we go. This is nice color with this print. Yeah, this is not what I ordered. It's not what's on the website. It is a gorgeous bag though, but this, no. Alright, bye y'all.